All right, so today we're looking at this brand new Threadbeast package in the year 2025. Now they have rebranded and upscaled since the last time we reviewed them. There's no more black boxes, it's all white. But it's gonna be a little bit different, but the objective is still the same. We're gonna see if this is worth the $60 price point of their lowest tier, which is their basic package. You can decide if it's worth the $60 a month or not, if you would pay that. Just like in all these videos, we're gonna be giving everything inside this box away. So more on that at the end of the video. Let's just get into this unboxing right now. Now I'll be honest, I'm not sure exactly what style profile we have on this, so it's all gonna kind of be a surprise for all of us, but I'll let y'all go ahead and take the first peek right there. It's probably covered. Yeah, I knew it was gonna be covered. Real quick, before we get into the actual clothing in here, besides the fact that they're white boxes and they can get dirty, as you can see here, I actually like the rebranding. It's a little bit more modern, as opposed to the streetwear style that it used to be. So I personally like the rebranding and the white and everything, but let's get into it. First up, always, of course, are the classic socks. They still got these for sure. Like, they have like an embossed logo on them, which are pretty cool. It's got like this beige tan color. So we got those socks. Most of these boxes come with socks, so this basic package is only 2 to 3 items. So you gotta keep in mind that, is this worth $60 for the next two things? Next thing is this Brixton shirt that I can already tell kind of matches the socks. So this is the shirt. Oh, a nice little Brixton logo right there. Kind of more of a basic Brixton tee, but nevertheless, I actually find it pretty cool. It's got the nice tan and white and black colors on it. So a nice little basic Brixton tee to go with the socks right there so far. This is a size large for anyone who wants this, so size large on that. Now we got one more item in here. So is this gonna be worth the $60? Drum roll. Boom! We got some tan cargo shorts by the brand Banks Journal. Never heard of this, but according to this tag, they're $80 shorts. Not sure if that's true or not, but these cargo shorts are like, they're kind of like they're not really swim trunks, but they got that swim trunk like vibe, if you know what I mean. You got the Banks Journal logo on the back right there. Oh, you got it on the front too. I didn't even see that little hit right there. So this, put that with these socks. It's your little outfit that you get for the basic package. So you basically get an outfit for the $60 a month. You know what? Let's see how much these Banks Journal shorts go on eBay. All right, so maybe not $80, but they are like $35 brand new on eBay. So $35, if you call the shirt like 20 bucks, the socks 10. In my opinion, it's probably close to worth $60. Like, honestly, I could see this whole fit inside of like Tilly's or Vans, that type of store. All of this screams a Tilly's outfit, you know what I mean? Now, the one thing that they didn't have in here, not that it really matters, but just to say, they used to give stickers in every box. I don't see any stickers, but you know, it is what it is. In comparison to the old Threadbeast boxes, I've never gotten any of these before, so it's a plus already, because there's a lot of times in boxes where you just get the same things if you were a recurring subscriber. That was one of the big things. So I've never got any of these items so far, and I've had a lot of boxes. Like, even down to the socks, like these socks are pretty nice socks with the embossed logo on it. So yeah, if you liked anything inside this box, like I said, we're gonna be giving all of this away. All you have to do is hit that like button, leave a comment below of which item that you want. I'll go ahead and pick a winner in the comments below, then get with you and then get that out to you. But yeah, would you pay $60 for everything that you just saw in this Threadbeast box? I think they were pretty good. I think it probably equals the value, if not very close. Like I said, I can very much see this outfit at like a Tilly's or Vans or some type of store like that. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, find any value, please hit that like button, subscribe for more videos just like this, and I will see you guys on the next one.